So we are at the beach now and we are going to do 100 rupees. Another 100 rupees. Actually like 50 rupees only. Like I'll be buying like out of this 100, I'll be buying for 50 rupees and my photographer, which is Karen, she will also be buying for 50 rupees. So let's see what we will get. So first she will be going and buying stuff. So what's till then? Ricky, can you let us first? Huh?
Let's see whatever is available.
I think we can try all. You want to buy this chana mix?
No.
Okay. More here over here. First,
Let's go to the shop. Like the mango there is very good. Of course, other places also mangoes are available, but
you want the mango here only. Okay.
there.
Where? Mango. Ini ram kini ulas na.
Yeah.
Okay. Aro ki kini wa?
Mango. Okay, one. And how much is this?
This means 20, right?
20 not yet. 20. Over budget or how? Should I get the mangoes?
I don't know. Just get it. It's 30 rupees, right, mango?
Yeah.
Okay. So she's going to get these mangoes. It's 30 rupees.
No,
So
but it should be our wish, no? If we want to get it for 20 rupees, they should just give it for 20
yeah, of
rupees.
course.
Why is it 30
But you're not a
rupees?
shopkeeper, so. So, anyways, you have 20 rupees balance. So do it faster, okay? Post to you, post. Oh,
In some other places, we will get it for 20 rupees. We never know. We can try.
okay. Then.
Oh my god.
Oh my god, 20 rupees, 50 rupees. So,
Take your
so
50
this
rupees.
is. Okay, wait. So this is your share. You take it. Yeah. Oh, so what are you going to buy next? Look,
She will feel so betrayed. I took mango from somewhere else. Wait. 20 ka milega? Huh? 20 ka na milega? 20 milega. Please.
Then I'll have to buy that one. I think later on. Picharat.
We can buy pani puri, no?
Okay, go and buy if you want. But pani puri will have to eat from here, right? I don't want.
There's no pani puri. Page has no versatility. They have already planned the prices. So for 20 rupees, we're not gonna get anything. So I guess this is the cheapest.
Not cheapest, okay. It's 30 rupees for your information.
I mean here.
And we can't get it for like 20 rupees also.
Yeah.
So
I'm gonna
it's
just
like
get some-
everything is fixed. Voila.
The chips option are very pathetic.
Kundu choose for last. Which one? Gimana sih? Or don't tell me the way 50 rupees is it?
Oh, let me check the price. It's 10 rupees. Oh my
Okay,
god.
you can grab two. Yay! 50 rupees chips. Yeah. Wait. Not rolling, yeah, it's rolling.
I got these mangoes for 30.
Yeah.
I don't know, I've never tried this brand.
What is it
Max
called?
Vida. Potato chips for
Okay.
20 rupees.
So that's it for 50
Budget
rupees.
friendly. The kites.
Yep. Okay, now it's my turn. So 50 rupees. Let's see what we can get.
Such a beautiful sunset. Okay, focus on you.
Not that thing. I think that's ice cream's there.
You want to buy ice cream?
Yeah.
Is it even in our budget?
I don't think it will be there.
Ice cream. Ooh, you're matching with the ice cream truck.
So usually the peach ice creams are also like it's so expensive and like we are like so ashamed currently because we thought of going for the chocolate. Excuse me. This is all we can afford here.
Show the money. How much is left?
Oh, I think this is for spiral potatoes. These to make spiral potatoes.
I guess it's called potato twisters.
Was nice, right? It's like 50 rupees or something like that. Don't even think about it, okay? Now this is how they make spiral potatoes. They twist the potato in a potato twister and twist. Okay, so this is what we got. Two ice creams and pani, 50 rupees. So sad.
Annyeong.
Young mango and chips. Okay, so we are going to have the ice cream now. Please, Aaron, take the honor of opening the ice cream and
so
tasting.
pretty.
Taste it once. How is it? Nice. Okay. So both of us are like having the ice creams now. It was tiring, but the ice cream now. It was like tasty. And we shall be ending my vlog from here.